Thank you for joining us.
Tonight, a judge is considering her request for a change of venue.
Boswell's murder trial is scheduled to happen in October. Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Joe Harris joins us now with more in tonight's top story. Joe?
Rod and Megan, Boswell's attorney says media coverage is the main reason why they want their client's trial moved out of Saline County. Now, a local attorney weighed in on what factors into these decisions and if there's a chance the judge will grant Boswell's request. Bailey Boswell, who's accused of helping Aubrey Trail kill Lincoln woman Sydney Loof, appeared in Saline County Court today. A judge heard her request for a change of venue for her first-degree murder trial. Boswell's attorney cites extensive media coverage of Loof's murder and Trail's trial as reasons, and Judge Vicki Johnson says she's taking it into consideration.
The basic issue with a change of venue is to make sure that the defendant gets a fair and impartial jury.
Justin Kalamkarian is an attorney with Barry Law Firm. He says Saline County's population size could also be factored into the decision.
Saline County is much smaller than Douglas County, and so the size of the potential jury pool being much smaller, combined with the publicity, might make it more difficult to get a fair and impartial jury.
But he says it's rare this kind of request gets granted.
That publicity has to be so pronounced that it would basically be impossible to get a fair and impartial juror. And judges have a lot of faith in juries here in Nebraska, that they can be instructed properly to ignore what they know, that they can be instructed to listen to the evidence that's presented.
Kalamkarian says he would not be surprised if there is a change of venue. He says if it does happen, the trial would probably be held in Lancaster or Douglas counties. Boswell has now been charged with conspiracy to commit murder, in addition to charges of first-degree murder and improper disposal of human skeletal remains. Last month, her boyfriend Trail was convicted of the first-degree murder of Sydney Loof and now faces the death penalty. Right now, Boswell's trial is scheduled to begin October 15th. No word yet on when the judge will make a decision on the change of venue request.
And we'll keep our viewers updated as always. Thank you, Joe.
Time now for a first look at